Imagine a place where nature surrounds you, where the air is fresh and the beauty of rural Sri Lanka captivates every sense. Welcome to this unique property in Aranayake, Kegalle, a place of peace, tranquility, and boundless opportunities. Spanning over 22 acres of fertile, cultivated land, this property offers an array of agricultural treasures. With 1 acre of lush paddy field, 3 acres of tea, and 2 acres of coffee, you'll have the foundation to cultivate your dreams. In addition, enjoy an abundance of valuable trees including cinnamon, nutmeg, pepper, jackfruit, coconut, and fruit-bearing trees, plus a variety of timber such as teak and mahogany, and many more rare trees and plants. An old house sits on the land ready for renovation into your dream home. With the right touch, it can be restored to blend perfectly with the peaceful surroundings. Bordered on 3 sides by the tranquil mahogany, this property is a sanctuary of nature with lush greenery, abundant wildlife, and the soothing sounds of different types of birds. Conveniently accessible via a 12-foot concrete road, you can easily reach the land while still being immersed in the serenity of rural living. The area is a true village with friendly locals and a close-knit community. This property is ideal for eco-tourism projects, agritourism ventures, or large-scale agricultural endeavors. With its lush environment and natural beauty, it offers endless possibilities for sustainable development. With clear deeds, sinakara, this property is ready for you to make your mark. And the best part? It's available at a price that's worth inquiring about. For further information or to schedule a property inspection, contact Talents Property Solutions today. Kosala Weheragoda plus 94 7777 47825. We cater exclusively to direct buyers, no brokers, please. Talents Property Solutions. The best place to find the best property deals for you and your family. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us now.